Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is another episode of our lockdown cooking video, and since many of you asked for a video of Jordi cooking, he's going to make something today. So let's go check. Oh, before that, let's roll the intro. What are you doing today?
Hey, so we're gonna make chicken biryani. First we have the full chicken. We have to cut it in pieces. I'm not very good at that. I just done it, I don't know, a few times only. So excuse me if I'm not good at it. Oh my god. Today we're gonna use this mother's recipe, but if you go to supermarket you can find so many biryani mix. Just make sure you look at the instructions because each brand has their different methods. So we're gonna follow this one now. It comes with this envelope. We have to mix this with curd. HYEKYONG asked me if I calculate the amounts. No, I'm on instinct, and because we're using more chicken than the recipe says, so I'm adjusting a little bit more curd to have more like marinade sauce, right? Boom, boom. What a mix of spices here. Okay. Oh, I forgot one very important thing. When you cook, always have a beer nearby. When you cook, when you drink beer or wine, you get more inspiration and you're not afraid of doing mistakes. Follow this life advice. No, why? It's true. Look at this. Saint and Sinner by Goa Brewing Company. I really like this picture. It's really cool, right? The curd and the biryani mix is done. I'm gonna pour it on the chicken and mix it well. And now we let it marinate for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we're gonna make the rice. We are going to leave the rice soaking for 15 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna put first the chicken on this deep pot and we're gonna cover it with rice. The rice absorbs all this flavorful sauce that we made. then another thing that not everybody does, but we do because we like it. So food is ready. Let's go.
Alright, so let's try this biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Can't wait. Smells
Smells powerful.
right.
Not as fragrant as I expected. I can smell the mint. Maybe we put too much mint. Maybe cardamom missing.
It's good.
It's really good though.
It's very mild.
Yeah, but it's nice. It's very nice.
And then I like it mild because it can get really salty, and which I don't really like.
Let's try the meat. It's good? Well cooked? Yeah.
Well cooked, very soft. Wow. Nice. I like it.
Yeah.
I would say just success.
Not the best biryani. The best biryani we'll have maybe in Hyderabad. This is one of our favorites. But as beginners, we are proud. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click like and
Subscribe and leave some comments.
see you next time. Bye. We didn't tell you, and you didn't see because we edited it out, but while we were cooking, power went out several times, so these were supposed to take 1 hour. It took like 3 hours. So imagine how starving we are. But it's a reward. Nice.
I'm your biggest fan, I always eat chicken biryani, biryani. Baby, there's no other yummy, original biryani, chicken biryani. I always sacrifice, and I will wait until the smell is nice. Baby, you're delicious. I will wait till I go starving. Chicken biryani.